Hey everyone, what's up? So, in this video I'm going to be doing a rolling stock update because I have some new rolling stock I just recently got. They're all ScaleTrains rolling stock, so let's get started. So first off, I have a ScaleTrains Kit Classic Boxcar. This is the ScaleTrains promo. And this is part of the 4th run boxcars, so it's got it's the gray with the red doors and the red ends and stuff like that. It's really nice. Paint job's really nice and done in ScaleTrains. It's got the logo on the website. Really nice car. And I recently got this one because apparently when ScaleTrains began their business and did their first run of these cars, I missed out on getting the first run of the ScaleTrains promo boxcar, which is the all in red. So I got this one. It's a really nice car. And it should be perfect for those who are huge fans of the ScaleTrains because it's actually a really nice manufacturer. So I really like this boxcar. Next up I have another Kit Classic boxcar. This is the Wisconsin and Southern boxcar, the breast cancer awareness car. So it's a really nice car. And for the Wisconsin Southern, they have different paint scheme variations. Like they have different kinds of paint schemes. Wisconsin Southern, so here's I had the breast cancer awareness. A really nice car. Really like it. Then the third one I have is a Pullman Standard 4785 popper. This is the operator and Norfolk Southern paint. So as you see, for being an operator freight car, it doesn't have much detail. It's got like the plastic, non-see-through walkways up here. Unlike the ribbon counter has the metal ones, and then the plastic couplers, some and all that stuff. It's a really nice car. Did a good job on this. Next is the one car I've been wanting to get because I could have pre-ordered this one. This is the Penn Central 4785 popper. Because I know this is actually a really unique car because it's got some really nice detail parts here. A lot of stuff. Metal walkways. Because I know some of these cars are still around today, but they're just like, all like patched up and weathered stuff. And it's great to see how some of these hoppers are still around, even to this day, because these were introduced around the late 60s to early 70s. So, yeah. And the last car I have is the another Wisconsin Southern boxcar. This is the 911 Tribute car. It's really nicely done. This is a day America will never forget. So yeah, basically those are all of my rolling stock I got. And also I have another cool thing I got from ScaleTrains too. This is not rolling stock related, but this is their new hat I ordered. I'll show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, it's a really nice hat, and it's got this. You can adjust it whenever you like, whenever you wear it. So here's the insides of it. Looking really nice. So this is perfect for summer, and you can wear this whenever you go on trips and stuff, like when you go on vacation. So because I have a trip to New York coming up soon, so I thought maybe I can wear this. This could be really cool. It's a really nice hat. I really recommend getting one. They also have I'm not sure what color. I think they have a gray or a charcoal. I'm not sure what it's called, but I got the red one. So really nice hat. So we got all the rolling stock and the new hat. So yeah, that's basically all the new stuff I got from ScaleTrains. I just want to show you guys. So, hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.